What is the most overrated trait in a leader?
That they have to know everything.
And what would be one piece of advice you followed that turned out to be terrible,
That I have to change my natural self and the way that I operate.
which you didn't? The most Bollywood moment of your CEO journey so far?
Has to be walking the red carpet at Cannes.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is one thing a male mentor told you that changed your perspective on power?
So many things. I got your back. I think when somebody tells you that, you just relax. And it changes your perspective on how much you have to try.
If you had to lead a space tech company tomorrow, what's the first thing you would do?
You know, honestly, I feel that there are so many amazing and complex problems to be solved on the earth. I have no desire to go to Mars or explore the rest of the universe.
McD burger or a fine dining after a big win?
McD burger with Ashwin because that's like our relief zone. I think every big win comes with more relief than anything else.
Yeah.
Fine dining with everybody else to, celebrate.
One word for the women who are out there who is still ambivalent about her success.
Women are ambivalent about so many things. And I think they just need to ask for what they want and they need to own it. Be unreasonable.
Be unreasonable.
Ask for what you want.
Data versus gut. Which one do you trust more in a creative meeting?
Data.
Data. What do you still tell the dancer in you when the stakes are high?
Keep performing.
What is the CEO effect in exactly 5 words for you?
Tigress, mother, confidant, vulnerable, needs to go to the spa.
For sure.